welcome back to my YouTube channel, Galuh SA. This time I got a school assessment from English subject, namely making a video procedure text. And I chose to make a dalgona coffee. Well, this dalgona coffee is viral in last year. Okay guys, before go to the next video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. My name is Galuh Adinda from 12 Stein 4, number 13. Before making a dalgona coffee, we must prepare in the ingredient and soap. Ingredients: instant coffee, full cream milk, sugar, warm water, ice cube, tools, whisk, spoon, straw, cup, tool. Step: first, put 2 sachets instant coffee into the bowl. And 4 tablespoons of sugar. One, 2, 3, 4. And also 4 tablespoons of warm water. One, 2, 3, 4. Second, beat the bowl using a whisk for about 3 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and firm. If the mixture is finished, then fill in the quarter of a cup and full cream milk into the cup. Then add the coffee dough on it. last one is to make it look pretty, add a topping on it. Okay guys, the dalgona coffee is ready. See you in the next video.